Hi and welcome back. Last time I didn't quite finish laying the hardwood floor. It turns out that putting this floor down is much more of a labor-intensive process than I originally planned. I thought I could get it done in one episode, but it's turning into more than one. Thus far, I've laid the floor in this kitchen and in the surrounding area. Next, I need to lay the floor in the main living room and the library. In the last episode, I mentioned that the bathroom floor would be a surprise and didn't reveal exactly what it would be made out of. I wanted the bathroom floor to be something unique, the sort of floor that you wouldn't find in every house. I wanted something that would look a lot like tiles, preferably made out of a non-expanding material. I remembered hearing about some people who laid down a grid of coins on their floor, and I thought that was really clever. On the scale of the house, coins, in particular pennies, would look a lot more like full-size tiles, which had a sort of appeal to it. So I figured I'd give it a try. So far, I'm really liking these pennies. To finish up the look, I'm going to mix some grout and push it into the joints. I think while I like this idea a lot, in practice, the penny floor didn't go as well as I had hoped. If I were to do this again, the biggest change I would have made would be to put down a moisture barrier underneath the floor, as the subfloor absorbs some of the moisture from the wet grout, causing the floor to sag and warp. ended up with a few waves in my floor because of this, and though I was able to repair it to some degree, it isn't quite as good as I had hoped. Next up, it's time to start on the second floor. There's still a lot to do on the first floor, but I'm realizing that most of the tasks will need to be done on the second floor as well, so I'd rather do them both at the same time rather than do them separately. Assembling the second floor is going to be quite similar to the first floor, and while I'll try to make it as interesting to watch as I can, I might do some parts of it off camera to speed up the process. Let's get started. The second floor has about as many rooms as the first. There's a TV or sitting room, a master bedroom and master bathroom, and finally a small second bedroom. Oh, and there's a few closets throughout. The second and first floor join together with a staircase I built in a previous episode. First up, I'll start framing the joists in the floor. That's all I have time to get done on the second floor this time. Anyway, thanks for watching and let me know what you think in the comments below.